Good morning, dear students of class 10. So today we will just do the revision of the second chapter, polynomials. So first of all, what is the uh, what is the general form of quadratic polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c. It is the general form of quadratic polynomial. Okay, and as you know, a polynomial it is having degree 2. It is having degree 2. So it will have two zeros, because you know, as you have studied in class 9, a linear polynomial which is having degree 1 has one zero. For example, the zero of this polynomial is x equal to minus 1, because if we put the value x equal to minus 1 in this polynomial, then the value of whole polynomial will be 0. Just let us check. Put x equal to minus 1, so it will give 0. So x equal to minus 1 is at 0. Now for a quadratic polynomial, there can be two zeros. X equal to, for example, for this polynomial, two zeros are x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 2. So it can have two zeros. Similarly, for cubic polynomial, it will have three zeros. So in this chapter, basically we are just focused on quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial has two factors. Let us consider them to be alpha and beta. So first of all, you have to just learn the formula sum of zeros. Sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta. It has a relation that it will be equal to always minus b upon a. So what is a, b and c? A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. Similarly, for product of zeros, it will be alpha into beta equal to c upon a. Okay, so like this. So you have to solve this. So let us take some examples for this. We have x square minus 2x minus 8. This is first polynomial, and another we will take 3x square minus x minus 4. So how to factorize it? If there will be a question that what are the factors of this, so how to factorize this? So you know very well, in class 9th and class 8th also you have done this. 8 1 ja 8. Coefficient of the constant term with the coefficient of x square will be just multiplied. 8 1 ja 8. Factors of 8, which gives the difference to be 2. Difference, why difference? Because minus sign is here. So which gives the difference 2 is the possible factors of 8 will be 8 1 ja 8 and 4 2 ja 8. So which of the pair is giving the difference as 2? Not this, but this is given. So we will just accept this. We will just write x square minus 4x minus 2x. Now just open the bracket and the sign will be changed. Now take the means we have four terms now. We can take common here as x, and here we can take 2 as common to give x minus 4. So x minus 4 is common in both the terms, so we can take x minus 4 outside. So we are left with x plus 2 within the other bracket. So these are the two factors of x square minus 2x minus 8. But we have to just find its zeros. So how to find its zeros? Put the values, put the factors equal to the 0. So minus 4 will give you x equal to 4 and minus 2 will give you x equal to 2. So what it means? X equal to 4 is the 0 of x minus 4 and x equal to 2 is the 0 of x minus 2. And because these are two factors of this polynomial, so these are the zeros of this polynomial also. Okay. Now verifications, you know very well. I am not telling that, you know that. And one more example we are having 4 3 12. The factors of 12 which gives the difference as 1. 4 3 12 Yes, it will be accepted. So 4x minus 3x. You are just splitting the middle term. So now just open the bracket to give this. Now take x as common. It will give you 3x minus 4. And now take 1 as common because no other factor can be taken as common. And 1 is the factor of array. So we can take 1 as common to give this. So in one bracket we can write x plus 1 and in other bracket we will write this. So given two factors are this, required factors are these. So x plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x minus 4 equal to 0. So it will give you x equal to 1 minus 1 and it will give you x equal to 4 by 3. So it is alpha and this is beta. Here also it is alpha and it is beta. Okay, after this, sometime it happens that sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta, is given, and alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, that is product, is also given, and the question is that to find the quadratic polynomial. For example, for question 2, we have to find the quadratic polynomial for which alpha plus beta is given to be 1 upon 4, that is sum of zeros, and alpha into beta is given to be minus 1. So in that case, you have to learn this formula for quadratic polynomial, which is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So put the value of alpha plus beta, which is 1 upon 4, plus alpha beta is minus 1. Now we can take LCM because we don't want the fractional value here. So it will be 4x square minus 1x minus 4. And for this 4, we can just ignore it finally. So this is the value of required quadratic polynomial. And divisions are very important in this chapter. So you have to practice for divisions also. Do more and more practice for divisions. So one of the problem I am telling you. Check whether t square minus 3 is factor of other polynomial is 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. So we have to check. So for that, let us divide this polynomial by this to check. We have to check that this is factor of this or not. If this is the factor of this, then the remainder should be 0. Otherwise, if the remainder is not 0, then we will say t square minus 3 is not the factor of this polynomial. So we have to just apply the long division method, because this is a quadratic polynomial. If it was a linear polynomial, then it was easy because we can apply the other method, but here we have to just divide. So it is 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. So first of all, you have to make t square to be 2t to the power 4. So by which number you have to multiply to make it 2? And t square to be t to the power 4, we will multiply it by t square. So overall, you will have to multiply that 2t square by this whole expression. So 2t to the power 4, 2t square minus 3, it will give you 3 to just 6, 6t square. But you have to keep in mind, you have to put the term accordingly, because it has the power 3, so you cannot put this term here. You have to keep this term here below the corresponding term. Now change the sign. Sign will be changed of these numbers which are here down below. So here is positive sign, it will be negative. Here is negative sign, it will be positive. So it can be just cancelled out. It will be 3t cube minus plus minus. So 6 minus 2, 4t square, and the number with positive sign is greater. So you have to apply positive. Then the remaining of the numbers you can just note here. Now you have to make t 1t square to be 3t cube. So 1, 2, 3. So you will just multiply by 3 and t square to t cube. So by t, and positive sign is here, so you will just apply the positive sign. So multiply 3t with this, you will get 3t cube, and 3t with minus 3, so you will get minus 6t. So you will write the term of t here, because now change the sign. Here is positive, so you will apply negative. Here is negative, you will apply positive. So these terms will be cancelled. Then 4t square minus plus minus, minus 3t minus 12. Now you have to make t square to be 4t square. So by which number you have to multiply? By 4. So multiply 4t square minus 12. So again change the sign. These terms will be cancelled and we are left with minus 3. So it is not 0. The remainder is not 0. So it is not the factor of the given polynomial. So let us check. I think some mistake is here. Let us again check it. T square by 2t square, it will give you 2t to the power 4 minus 6t square, then it will be cancelled out. Okay, then by 3t you have done 3t cube minus 3 3 ja. Okay, here is the problem. 3 3 ja 9. So here is a big mistake. So I think this is just cancelled out. So this term will not move. So it will, the remainder is 0. So you can say remainder is 0. So yes, you can say t square minus 3 is the factor of the given polynomial. So you will write, so t square minus 3 is a factor of given polynomial. So sometimes it is there are some mistakes in division, because division is complicated method. So we have to make more and more practice to avoid the mistakes. So just note down the solutions. After this we will do more questions.